Hello, welcome to this video. In this video we will see a question based on section of pyramid, section of a hexagonal pyramid, sectional views. Question is, a hexagonal pyramid, side of base 30 mm and height 60 mm is resting on HP, keeping the axis vertical and an edge of base parallel to VP. A horizontal cutting plane cuts the solid at a height of 20 mm from the base. Draw front view, sectional top view and true shape of section of the pyramid. Now draw a reference line like this. Now you need some space above this one, so you have to draw this reference line in such a way that you need some space here. Okay, now also since it is given that the object is the hexagonal pyramid is resting on ground with one base edge parallel, you draw a hexagon keeping one base edge parallel to this reference line. This line should be parallel, so in that way you have to construct a hexagon. So construct a hexagon of edge 30 mm with one base edge parallel like this. For a hexagon, included angle is 120 degrees, so you can construct a hexagon of base 30 mm. Now draw cross diagonals using dark lines. Do the dimension as 30 mm. Now name the hexagon as A, B, C, D, E, F and O. Project all these points to the reference line. So this is A dash, this point is B dash and F dash, this is C dash and E dash, and this is D dash. Also, height of the object is given as 60 mm. So from project the point O to the reference line, and since height is 60 mm, use a chain line to show the height of the object axis. So from here you mark 60 mm above and name that point as O dash. Now connect O dash to all these front view, that is all these points, 6 points marked on the axis. Use dark lines to show those lines. Now since it is given that the section plane, it is cut by a horizontal section plane, so horizontal plane section plane means the section plane will be parallel to ground. Also it is given that section plane is at a distance of 20 mm from base. So from here you mark 20 mm above and draw a section plane like this. This section plane you can use a continuous line, 2 dot lines and a continuous line. This is how you represent a section plane. Now you want to name those points meeting this slant lines and this section plane meeting points. So this is 1 dash is on the line O dash A dash, then 2 dash is on the line O dash B dash, 3 dash is on the line O dash C dash, 4 dash is on the line O dash D dash, 5 dash is on the line O dash E dash, and 6 dash is on the line O dash F dash. So here the points 5 and 6 are invisible, so those points will be inside bracket. Now drop all those lines to the corresponding line. Drop 1 dash to the line OA, 2 dash to the line OB, 3 dash to the line OC, 4 dash to the line OD, 5 dash to the line OE, and 6 dash to the line OF. Use thin lines to show that. Now this portion is removed portion, so you can you can erase those lines and you can use thin lines to represent that. Now you can hatch that at 45 degrees with this reference line. Now to get the sectional top view, this is the section top view. To get the true shape of section, this is the section plane. So draw vertical lines from all these points like this, lines parallel to perpendicular to the axis, perpendicular section plane. So from all these 6 points you draw perpendicular lines from all these 6 points like this, and now you draw another line like this which is parallel to this line. From here to here, this line should be parallel to this line. Okay, this line should be parallel to the section plane. So draw a line parallel and extend those lines like this. Now to get these points, you want to measure this distance from this reference lines to 1. Okay, distance from this reference lines to 1, that distance you mark here on this line. Okay, this distance you mark from here, then this distance you mark from here to here, this distance you mark from here to here, other distance, this distance, axis to 5 distance you mark from here to here, axis to 3, that distance you mark from here to 3, and axis to 4 you mark from here to here. Use use dark line to connect those 6 points. Use a thin line. Use thin lines to hatch that at 45 degrees with this reference line. Name that as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that is the true shape of section. Now in this case, since the section plane is parallel to the axis, the size of this hexagon will be similar to the size of this hexagon. There won't be any change. This will be a replica of this one. Hope you understood how to draw the sectional top view and true shape of section of a truncated hexagonal pyramid. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please like this video. Thank you.